behind this phenomenal brand, as well as the talent management they provided our newest endorser to global success. Personal strategic genius ensures the honest glow we promise is the honest glow you receive. Please give it up for our COO of Honest Glow, Mr. Aljon Fernandez. Round of applause for Sir Aljon. And next, the heart and soul, the founder who turned a vision of honest beauty into a reality. Please all rise and make some noise for the President and CEO of Honest Glow, Mr. Dave Villanueva. And finally, let's welcome Akeem Bekir, whose membership has profoundly shaped the Philippine entertainment and beauty pageant industries. Please welcome the renowned talent manager and pageant empresario, Mr. Arnold A.L.B. Vega-Pria. Once again, Mr. Arnold Vega-Pria. Thank you, gentlemen. With such powerful figures gathered, we are of perseverance, power, and historic Filipino pride to secure the first ever back-to-back victory for the Philippines at the Miss Grand International stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the reigning Queen's radiance is undeniably authentic. The woman who perfectly embodies the honest confidence we champion. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Emma Mary Tiglao, Miss Grand International 2025. Once again, make way for your Miss Grand International 2025, Miss Emma Mary Tiglao. International 2025. We officially starred as Emma Mary Tiglao and our gentlemen. So now, to officially seal the partnership. Okay, another one. So now I think we can now start the well, friends from the media, it's more than just a contract. It's a partnership that encourages every one of us to be confident in our own skin. So we are so excited to have this Emma Tiglao for Honest Glow family. Sir Dave, please lead the toast. Okay, Sir Dave. Can we have the contract first, holding the contract for the podium as per our director, before we have the ceremonial toast officially signed and sealed? Alright, one more. Sir Aljon.
Okay, at the back po.
Okay. Miss Emma Tiglao, our Miss Grand International 2025. Congratulations and welcome to Honest Glow family. So now to lead the toast, let's give the floor to our CEO, Sir Dave Villanueva.
Grand afternoon, everyone. Ay, wala ba yun? Ulit. Grand afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here to our friends. Thank you so much for your time and for amplifying these stories to all the people. And to tell you like a background story, you know that I've been doing pageantry for so many years, and I've been doing TV hosting and field reporting, and I'm working under the sun and under the lights, like these lights. And what we really need is to really take good care of our skin, and I'm thankful that I am now part of Honest Glow family, because the one that we really need right now is the honest care, honest choices, and honest glow. So thank you so much for making me glow, not just in the Philippine stage, but also in the international stage. Maraming salamat po.
Emma, can we ask a question? What made you say yes to Sir Dave? I'm sure a lot of proposals are sent to you with beauty products since you're so beautiful. So what made you say yes to Sir Dave?
Actually, I tried the product first, and then doon pa lang sa pangalan, catchy na eh. Sabi ko, gusto ko siya matry muna para makita natin kung talagang honest ba yung glow na nabibigay niya. And truly, it speaks honest glow to my skin.
And now, can we just ask, out of many beauty queens, title holders, influencers, endorsers, what made Emma stand out for you to choose her as the newest ambassador of Honest Glow 190 and Honest Glow Kojing Papaya Soap?
Actually, friends kami ni Emma sa TikTok. Pero we never really met in person. So, nakita ko siya nagko-compete. Sabi ko, ay, parang may laban tayo. And parang 2 days bago yung coronation, sabi ko, ay, deserve niyang i-support. So, pumunta kami doon. And then, nakita ko siya ng finals. Sabi ko, oh my God, naka-orange siya. So, kinilig ako. Sabi ko, parang may connection ka agad between, pagkakita ko kay Emma on that very stage ng Miss Grand International, sabi ko, pag nanalo to, huwag na natin pakawalan si Emma. Tapos, the following day, parang nagulat kami kasi si Francis, parang he approached, and then, pwede ko na bang i-check? Regarding Miss World, sponsorship, sabi ko, Kelly, pag-usapan natin, pero I would like to ask one thing sana. Open ba si Emma for endorsement? Kasi I really want her for Honest Glow with that orange gown talaga. So, ayun, I'm very thankful. Hanggang ngayon, lagi kami pinapakilig ni Emma from time to time. So, we're very grateful to Sir Ian, of course, and to Emma for allowing to be the very face celebrity endorser of Honest Glow. It means a lot.
Thank you, Sir Dave. Sir Aldo, would you like to say anything?
Actually, she's the first one na celebrity endorser ng brand kasi our brand is hindi naman siya naka-focus into celebrity kasi we targeted organic user ng brand to spread syempre through mouth yung kung ano ba yung effect sa kanila ng brand. And yun nga, nung unang kita pa lang namin with Emma, especially nung lumabas siya na kulay koji, alam na namin to. So, sabi namin, we need to get Emma no matter what. So, yun. Yes! And yung iPhone.
So, paano pala kung naka-black si Emma that time?
Kasi hindi lang naman yung kulay yung nagdala. Kasi kaya last minute talaga napabook kami. Sabi namin ni Dave. Kasi actually, si Dave kasi is into pageant. And nung pinapakita niya sa akin na si Emma nalaban, so sabi ko, so sige book kita. Samahan na kita for to support talaga yung pageant. And from the time na inalam pa namin sa hotel ba si Emma para hindi lang talaga yun sa mismong grand finals yung support. Wala na siyang kawala. Gusto namin siyang ma-meet na in person. So, from the hotel pa lang into dun sa mismong pageant. Binong namin kung last minute nagpo kami dun sa mismong grand finals. And kasi yun nga medyo malayo kahit parang VIP ticket na. todo sigaw na lang si Dave kasi I'm amazed din with Emma's performance na napakagaling niya dun sa stage. Kaya sabi namin, no matter what talaga, kunin na natin si Emma, huwag na natin pakawalan. Ayan.
Yes, it's true. There's a lot of offers now left and right, not only for Philippines but for also for international. So I'm so proud of Emma, di ba? Pakita niya yung galing niya nung performance niya nung nanalo siya sa Miss Grand International. And before anything else, I would like to congratulate these two gentlemen. You know, I'm so proud that the online business is booming in our country. And they're helping the economy of our country. And look at them. This is my third yata of contract signing that I met all of these young entrepreneurs. Imagine they're only 30s or late 20s, but they're very successful in the field of online e-commerce business. Let's give them a round of applause. And thank you for the trust and confidence, Dave and Aljon, of getting Emma as your first endorser. Actually, the choice of that orange color was my choice. Yung sabi ko sa designer, use the orange because I can feel orange will be a lucky color of all the endeavors that we're encountering for Miss Grand International, and even all those companies who will be our mga partnership natin. I hope to become successful. Kaya orange was my choice, and coincidence, orange pala is your color of your brand. So, definitely maraming talagang offer ngayon. So, napili ko tong Honest Glow. Tama si Emma, yung word honest and glow. And we tried it, trinay ko din. And I said, sabi ko, 1 week muna. Try natin kasi it's hard naman mag-accept ng product na hindi mo na-try. Hindi naman it's all about business. You have to try it also. You have to experience the effect of the product. So once I tried it, after a week I said, let's do it and let's do collaboration with Honest Glow. So thank you for the trust and confidence of, for Emma, and I hope it will be partners forever.
Thank you, sir.
So, Miss World, upcoming events nila, magkakaroon tayo ng parang charity event. Kasi we wanna give back talaga. Kaso, we want to collaborate with, let's say for this pageant, parang Miss World is more into charity work. So sabi ko, parang magandang opportunities. So nung lumapit sila, ALD and Francis, to discuss about the sponsorship and the activities na gagawin namin. Sabi ko, sige, kasi I really wanted. So meron na kaming activities na pinaplanong gawin. I think Miss World Philippines will happen on February. And kanina nga nag-usap kami sa labas ni ALD about Miss Grand. Sabi ko, walang problema. Oo, kasi nag-e-enjoy kami sa relationship that we currently have with them. So, looking forward talaga to grow with them and to have more events with ALD Pageant Circle. Ayun. Alright. So, my next question is center ako. So, parang pili ko yung mga pinagdaanan ko, aligned pa lang talaga siya sa posisyon na meron ako. Actually, I never imagined na pag tinatawag na akong CEO, naaalibadbaran ako. Kasi iba na yung klase ng CEO na meron tayo ngayon. Sila yung laging online, sila yung papakita. Parang hindi na kami yung parang pupunta lang sa office to instruct people. Most of the online CEOs right now, kumbaga, they need to be visible. Sabi nga ni ELB kanina parang ang aggressive natutuwa daw siya sa mga CEOs ngayon. Kasi it's a different thing. Meron kasi tayong tinatawag na traditional business. Right now yung business kasi ni Honest Glow, nag-work siya sa e-com. So e-commerce talaga tayo. And yun, sabi ko nga, Emma, ready ka na ba? Baka naman pwede. With Honest Glow, patak ka. So ayun, 3 years na si Honest Glow and daming plans and ayun. Sana makita namin kayo sa iba pang mga events. Diba? Salamat.
Pahabol. Aside from Miss World, Philippines, Miss Grand,
Kasi ang tinitignan ko lagi yung sarili kong production. Like, paano ko makakapag-generate ng sales. Kasi some brands, I think, kaya sila nahihirapan because they always compare themselves to other brands na nandyan na, may sarili ng spotlight. Kami kasi nabigyan kami ng opportunity na maglabas ng products, wala akong puhunan, meron lang nagtiwalang tao, lumapit sa akin. So it's always about the trust, from one trust to another. Kung pinagkatiwalaan ka ng isang tao, ayaw mo masira yung tiwala na binigay nila sa'yo. Kaya gagawa ka ng magandang bagay. So nag-start kami, lagong ginagamit yung hashtag na from zero to CEO. Kasi talagang zero, nako-compare kami sa ibang brands na bakit sa ganito, malakas siya, sa live niya maraming viewers. Sabi ko, ako dadaanin ko sa sipag. Kasi lahat naman ng mga bagay, talagang pag sinipagan mo, ma-achieve mo. And I never expected na after 3 years, ito tayo, meron tayong Emma Tiglaw, meron tayong iba't ibang mga products. From one product, actually yung pinaka nakilala tayo si Honest Glow Kojic. Tapos yung Kojic na kay Emma na ngayon is times 10 niacinamide. So it's enhanced formula, mas lalo natin kinaganda kasi we want always to upgrade to our best version talaga. So, ayun. When it comes to competition, I only have a competition with myself. Pag tinatamad ako mag-live, wala tayong benta. Kailangan natin, talaga pala.